Khonferensi ithoma nje i-ANC iqale nentshijilo eziningi. Kuneziphi zangaphakathi begodwa kunokuhlukana ngaphakathi. Usomkhulumo we-ANC uPulemabe uthi alikho nalinye ilunga lekomiti ekulu ye-ANC lizokuthathelwa amagadango ngendlela elivote ngakho eParliament ngombiko wephalaphala.
There is no member of the National Executive Committee as it is now who will be appearing before the National Disciplinary Committee. These matters will be processed by the incoming National Executive Committee, and the incoming National Executive Committee will determine the course of action, having looked at all of the cases of a similar nature that would have occurred in the past.
Umabe uthi unethemba lokuthi iKhonferensi le yoqeda ukwehlukana okukhona. Uthi ihlangane busaka ize iKhonferensi le izozivuselela ngobutsha.
We have got a responsibility to make sure that there is nothing that will collapse this conference. The commitment made by the National Executive Committee when we met yesterday is that we are going to do everything else in our power to make sure that this conference conclude its business.
Nakusenjalo, unobhalazombelelo we-ANC ojanyiswe ku-Ace Magashule uthi uyawahlonipha amalunga we-ANC abe nesibindi sokungavoti bona umbiko wephalaphala wamukelwe eParliament.
I salute Msebenzi Zwani Supra Mahumapelo, and I think mere intimidation will never intimidate thousands and thousands of ANC members like us. We know this organization, we are the children of this organization, we have struggled. We're not going to be pushed out by those who joined the ANC today.
Khonferensi ye-ANC ithome namhlanje izokuphela ngeLesibili.